Hi, Kriza. So I have another task for you. And this is going to be adding to my blog. And basically, it should be simple. What I'm going to have you do is go to my Facebook like page and use my posts and add them to my blog. Um, so basically, I'll do one for you. Share my screen. Okay, so here is my Facebook page. It's Kate Noble Fitness. If you log into my Facebook, you should be able to do the same, or you'll see it on the side. But I'll just do this most recent post that I've done. And this one, unless it's something that's like not a picture that I've created, if it was a picture from something else, and I don't think I do that often. But this is just going to be a great way to add some content to my site. Basically, what you'll do is you will go and you'll copy this content and download this picture. So I showed you previously how to get into the website. So you'll do the same thing, but you'll go to dashboard and then posts and add new. So first step would be to just copy the content. And I'm going to let you kind of decide what the title will be. Let's see. Just read through the content. If you notice any errors in spelling or anything like that, please change it. Let's see. So this, choose to be thankful, or actually this one I do enjoy, and I'm not going to be picky about this. Every single, actually, sorry, this is why I don't do this, because it takes me so much time, because I change my mind. Lessons from kids' music. And then I would just have you put in let's see what happens. I'll download this image. So I download it. Okay. And then I go back. So I want to upload it here. I'm going to see what happens if I just do it in this featured image instead of adding it directly into the post. So I'd go upload files, select files, and open. Set featured image. Okay, and then I would go here. I'd make sure to hit blog. That's it. And then, hold on, I'm recording something right now.
I don't know what to do with her. I don't have access to both my arms.
Here, I can hold her. Sorry, Cariza. Okay, so basically you'll do the same things with the tags. Whatever you think could go in here, I'm not too worried about it. I'd just go to these most commonly used tags. Beachbody, eat clean, wellness, things like that. Or if there's other things that you want to add in here, you could do that too. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's make sure there's nothing else to add in here. I don't think so. And I'd hit publish. See what happens. This is what I do all the time. Thankfully, you can always make changes. Okay. And then I'd want to see what it looks like. So there should be a preview button. Oh, they must have removed the preview button. So to preview it, I would just go to KateNobleFitness.com. Surprised there's not a preview button. And then I'd look here because it should populate right here in this blog section. And only do 3 per day, 3 or less per day. If there's one that you're like, yeah, this probably isn't a very good one to put up on a blog, it's super short, there's not anything great about it, then definitely don't. But then I'd go to blog, or I could have clicked on it from there too. So it's showing up here. I'd click on it. Hey, what you doing? I don't like how it shows up here, but I think that's just the way that it's going to be. So it didn't, I would also add, it didn't show the image up here. It just kind of shows this piece of it. So I'd go back to that edit post. And what I would do is I would just hit enter and put this image right at the top. So add media. I've already uploaded it. So I do insert into post and update. And then it should be set. The only other thing I'm going to check is I'll refresh it. Yep. So I like how this pulls it right up here. Perfect. I want to check the home page as well, Charlotte. Oops. That's not what I wanted. Oh, I could just go visit site. Okay. I just want to check to see what I did on this one. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to make sure the image was still showing up right here. Okay, perfect. So you can go ahead and start doing that. The other pieces, some of these posts are going to be videos. So what I'm going to try to remember to do, it'll be a process right away as I get started, is to upload the videos to a Google Drive area and have you add those to YouTube. So let's just first start here to look. So if it was a post with a video, we'll scroll down. So this one was a post with a video, and I'll go ahead and we'll just go through this one and do it together. So I'll copy the content, and then I'm going to do add new. Oops. Paste it, and I'll put be your biggest fan or something like that. Sorry, I only have one hand right now. Oh, I can't spell. So be your biggest fan. Or love your body, or sorry, this is why I'm having you do this, because I change things all the time. Stroller workout. Okay, so here I'd want to add the image or add that video, right? So what I would need to do is I would need to go to the file where I've uploaded the videos. And so that's under Virtual Assistant. And then I added a new file called Facebook Videos. And I've added a few in here. So these are all ones that I'd like you to download and then upload them to YouTube. So let's see which one. This is the one that goes with it. So you can just kind of click to get a preview to find it. So you'll just want to download it. And I'll just pretend that I'm doing it. Let's see, how do we download this? Oops. Right here, there's this arrow to download. Okay, and then you'll go to YouTube, which I put the password in here, YouTube password right here. And I've already logged in. Go to the upload button. Hey Charlotte, what you doing? Where'd it go? Here it is. Drag it to be uploaded. And then just give it that same title. So, love actually, this would be, since it's just a stroller workout, I'd put Central Park Stroller Workout. And then put that same content in here that we used for the blog. And then I want it to be public. And then maybe we want to add a playlist. We'll create a new playlist that's like workouts. So we'll add it to that playlist. And then I'm just going to copy this. Publish. Now let's see how this works. So this is long steps, but we'll get it. We want to add the video in. So insert media. Let's see what this does. Okay. And so it posted in here. So that's awesome. Perfect. And then the only missing piece right, because it's a video, is we don't have that featured image. So what I'd like you to do is just go to that YouTube video. So we'll go to it, right? I don't like that one as much. So I'll hit pause. Okay, and then just do a screenshot of this. Sorry, now let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna do a screenshot of this. Oh, I don't want this X in there. I don't want this X right here, so sorry. So that you have an image to put in that featured image area. And just be sure not to get that bar or anything in there. So I did that. So then we'll go back to this post. We'll set the featured image. Brennan, what are you doing? Okay. And let me just upload that image. Set it. And then I'll do the tags. So let's do like a workout, stroller, workout, fitness, Central Park. Oh, and for all of mine, I'd also like you to put in NYC, so New York City. Let's see. Then I always like to go in here. It's okay. It's okay.
Who's making all that?
And you can click into healthy living, wellness, and that should be fine. And then this one would just be within the blog. So just make sure you go through this right-hand side and make sure that everything's completed. So we've got the featured image. And then we'll hit publish. Okay, then I think you can do this preview changes. I think that's what shows it. So you can see what it looks like. Okay. Now I'd like this to be better quality. I have a better quality one. So that sometimes I'll give those to you and sometimes I won't, because I want you to be able to do this without having to like check with me. So I could, sometimes I'll upload in a matching image. That way it's a little bit cleaner. But then the video shows up, it plays, which is awesome. The content is there. And then the only other place I like to check it is on the front of the website to make sure it showed up there. So we'll go to visit site. Scroll down. Yeah. Seeing this image would be better if it was a better quality image instead of a screenshot. So we'll have to just kind of play around with that as we go. But I'd rather have this than nothing or no image. So that's it. What I'd like you to do is I definitely would like you to go back to let's see, how far back do we want to go? And just take a look and see which ones you think would be worthy of putting on here. Like, I think the video ones definitely are, and I've uploaded some of the videos. If you don't see that specific video in the file, just say, hey, Kate, can you send me the video for this, this one? But I'd say go back a little bit and just find the good ones, and add them in. And instead of working down this way, I'd rather have you go back a ways and then work forward so that they're kind of more chronological. So when I actually posted them, they show up in the website. But like, don't do any of these. I'd say do some of these videos, because I think that the videos will add, and that will also add to my YouTube channel too, which I'd like to add to that. So maybe just go through right now and add the ones that I have the videos for uploaded. Like this one, there's only a few recent ones. And then I'll be posting every day, so there'll be more. But if like you need something to do, you can go through and upload some blog posts to just kind of beef up that website a little bit. But only do the good ones that are like longer posts and actually kind of have a good message. So I think that that's it for this. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, just send me the link to your first one, just like the recipe. Send the link to the first recipe that you do. That way I can just kind of make sure that it's right, because, if you haven't used it before, it's harder to know. And some of it I've just done quite a few times, so that's why I do. Okay. Hopefully this will add in some extra tasks too. And, don't do more than 3 per day, and always work backwards too, so that like you go morning, day, night. But, maybe it's just doing 1 per day, just depending on what I posted. Sometimes they're good and sometimes I'm kind of like not a very good post. So I trust your judgment. So, okay, I will let you go, and I hope you have a good weekend.